Welcome back to Fluent English Power. If you're tuning in now, we're in part 2 of our deep dive into how to talk to anyone in English. And if you haven't heard part 1, go check it out. We covered a lot of real-life stuff you don't want to miss.
Yeah, we laid the foundation. Today, we're building on that. We're going beyond small talk and into things like body language, deeper conversations, and even how to handle negative reactions. Because unfortunately, those happen too.
And of course, we'll keep it real. No sugarcoating, no textbook nonsense, just honest conversation. 1. Use your body when words fail.
All right, let's kick this off with something people underestimate. Your body speaks before your words do.
Totally. If you walk into a room with your shoulders down, eyes to the floor, barely making eye contact, you could be fluent in English and still not connect with people.
But if you stand tall, smile, make relaxed eye contact, people naturally want to engage with you. Confidence is contagious.
Even if you're nervous, your body can lead your mind. Smile even when you're scared. Sit forward like you care. It changes the way people respond and the way you feel inside.
And gestures help too. If you forget a word, use your hands. Point. Mime. People get it. We're all wired to understand body cues.
Right. Communication is more than just words. Think of babies. They don't speak, but they still get their point across. Same principle here. 2. Go deeper than surface talk.
Let's move beyond weather talk. Small talk is great for starting, but if you want real connection, you gotta go deeper.
Exactly. And it doesn't mean you need to be super personal right away. You just ask real questions.
Like instead of, what do you do? Ask, what do you enjoy most about your job? Or, instead of, where are you from? Try, what's something cool about your hometown?
That changes everything. It invites people to share, not just respond. And the conversation feels more alive.
One of my favorite lines to use is, that's interesting. How did you get into that? Boom, instant story time.
Yes, and stories create connection. People open up, you listen, and even if your English isn't perfect, that human moment speaks louder. 3. Use pauses to your advantage.
Ooh, that's a tough one. Most people, especially language learners, feel panicked when there's a pause, like they need to fill every second.
But silence isn't bad. Sometimes it gives your brain time to think. Sometimes it gives them a moment to process or add more.
Exactly. Take a beat, breathe, collect your thoughts. That's what fluent speakers do too. Pauses aren't failure, they're space.
I've literally seen people get more respect in conversation because they didn't rush. They responded thoughtfully.
Right. It shows confidence. And even if you use that pause to say something like, let me think about that, it sounds natural.
4. What if they judge you?
Okay, let's go to a tough one. What do you do when someone makes fun of your English or looks at you like you're not worth their time?
Oof, it sucks. But we need to talk about it because it happens. And when it does, it can crush your confidence.
Yeah, and here's the thing. Their reaction says more about them than about you. People who judge others for trying, that's their insecurity talking.
You're the one being brave. You're learning a second language. That's not weak, that's powerful.
If someone mocks you or corrects you in a rude way, here's what you can say. Hey, I'm learning. I'd appreciate a little patience.
Or just walk away. You don't owe your energy to someone who isn't respectful. Protect your confidence like it's gold, because it is.
5. Celebrate every win, no matter how small.
Let's shift back to something uplifting. One of the biggest confidence boosters is celebrating your wins, even the tiny ones.
Yes. You asked for directions in English? Win. You introduced yourself without freezing? Win. You joined a group chat in English? Huge win.
Language learning is full of invisible victories, and if you don't celebrate them, it's easy to feel like you're not making progress.
But every conversation you attempt, no matter how messy, is a step forward. And that deserves recognition.
I used to keep a little language journal, just one line a day, like, today I ordered food in English and didn't mess it up. That built my belief over time.
That's genius, because belief is everything. You build it by proving to yourself over and over that you can do this.
7. Don't just learn English, live in it.
If you want to talk to anyone in English, you've got to live in the language. Not just study it, Surround yourself with it.
Watch shows in English, listen to podcasts, read short stories, change your phone settings. Talk to yourself in English while brushing your teeth.
Yeah, it's not weird. It's smart. I used to walk around my apartment describing things in English out loud. This is a spoon. The coffee is hot. I am tired. Simple, but it trains your brain.
It makes English your normal, not something separate. And when it becomes familiar, it becomes easier to use with others.
You're not just learning a language. You're building a new version of yourself in that language. And that takes time, but it's beautiful.
7. One day you'll look back and smile.
There's one thing I want every listener to hear right now. If you're struggling, if it feels slow, if you keep messing up, you are not alone.
Not at all. Everyone who's ever learned English, even us, has gone through that awkward, frustrating, embarrassing phase.
But you know what? One day, you're going to look back at this exact moment and think, wow, I really kept going. I didn't give up.
And that's where your confidence will come from. Not from being perfect, but from pushing through the moments you felt stuck.
So keep talking, keep trying, keep connecting. Every hello, every mistake, every pause, it's all progress.
Final thoughts.
All right, we've covered a lot today, from body language and deeper conversations to dealing with judgment and celebrating progress.
This journey of learning how to talk to anyone in English isn't just about speaking. It's about courage, consistency, and compassion for yourself.
You're not just learning how to communicate. You're learning how to show up, how to be seen, how to share your voice with the world.
And that's powerful. So if no one's told you today, we're proud of you. You're doing amazing.
Keep tuning in. We got more episodes coming your way. And if you found this helpful, share it with someone who's learning English too.
Until next time, speak boldly, live fully, and don't let fear steal your word.